Pisces, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have your reading for the month of November. So let's jump right in and see what energies are playing out for you, Pisces, in the month of November. Remember, this is a general read, so take what resonates and leave what does not for somebody else. This is for the Sun, Moon, Rising sign of Pisces. Always remember to watch all your Sun, Moon, Rising sign videos to get a complete picture for yourself. Okay? I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for subscribing, for your likes, and for all the love and support that you've shown to the channel and me. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. Also, remember to like this video, share it on your social media, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't as yet. Okay? Thank you so much. Also, if you would like a personal reading with me, you can find all my contact details in the description box below the video. You'll also find links to all my social media in the description box, where you can join me on Facebook and Instagram, where I post every day motivational and inspirational quotes. Also, you'll find another link to my other YouTube channel where I post motivational and spiritual videos. Do join me there, do subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you there. Alright, we'll get one final card and then we are ready to roll. Alright, I hope you're all doing fine, Pisces, wherever you are. Keeping well and healthy and fine. Oops, your cards are jumping and turning upside down, which tells me that there seems to be some kind of a confusion or some kind of a worry that is in your energy. Let's see. Alright, so Pisces, your November reading. You've drawn waxing crescent moon. Have faith in your dreams. Don't get impatient, Pisces. I can see that impatience energy, or that energy where you feel, oh, I've been waiting for so long. When is it going to happen? I understand. Yes, patience is not easy, my dear, but patience is rewarded. So just hang in there and things will unfold for you. We did see that a lot of the biggie planets have moved direct, which is creating a flow of energy towards ease and smooth. So let's hope and pray that you keep faith in your dreams and they will soon be materializing. A feather, and you've drawn the number 8 card, which to me personally is about infinite potential in the situation and in you, as well as abundance. Okay, and you've drawn the feather card. It says this calling card tells you that the divine is near you. Okay, so have faith in your dreams. Keep going the way you are going. Keep doing what you are doing because it is working. Yes, your dreams are in the pipeline and they will soon materialize. Have faith. The divine has stepped into your reading to just reassure you that don't worry, don't give up on your dreams. Hold them, continuously work towards them. Be persistent, be patient, and be absolutely hardworking. Okay? It will happen, my dear, and be patient. And you've drawn Angel of Balance, which is the number 48, which works out to 12, which works out to 3. Now, 3 is about partnerships, collaboration. It's about community. And this to me also talks about the divine asking you to be, to seek help if need be. Okay? Don't give up on your dreams. If you need patience, if you need to just hold on to that dream and you need any help in that, you need to seek out some help. So if you want to seek out a counselor or a guide, a mentor, or a friend whom you trust, a family member whom you trust, you can definitely reach out to them and keep holding your faith in your dreams. I'll be happy to do your counseling session because I'm a trained counselor in case you wish to do that. Okay, so the point being that the divine wants you to stay grounded, stay focused on your dreams. Don't give up on them. Okay, you just need to balance, not just go into this worry and acting out of worry energy. No, be confident, be patient, be grounded, be calm, and continuously work towards your dreams. Because possibilities, you've drawn the possibilities card, and if you see this eagle flying high, the sky is the limit, as they say, for this eagle. There are a lot of possibilities. It can go where it wants. Okay, so this falling right below the divine's message for you about your unlimited potential that can, and with unlimited possibilities for you. Hang in there. It's just a matter of little time. Okay, your next card is understanding. Yes, if you look at this card closely, there are swords and cage all around this beautiful dove, and actually it realizes that it is holding itself down, it is limiting itself, it is doubting its own potential where it can fly along with all these beautiful other doves. Exactly your situation. Don't doubt your potential, don't doubt your dreams, don't doubt your skills and tools that you have. Okay, you can achieve it, you can fly, and this is falling right below your have faith in your dreams. Yes, you can fly and the sky is your limit, or even beyond that for that matter. So have faith in your dreams, keep working on them, but be patient, because the divine time is at play here, and in divine timing it will all work out for the best for you. And your last card is new vision, and it comes right below the angel of balance. The moment you calm that monkey mind of yours and believe and gain your strength back, stand in your power, understand that you have the potential to make your dreams come true, and understand that there are a lot of possibilities for you. Okay, and that is when your new vision takes birth. When you stand in your power and believe in yourself and the divine, that is when your dreams will come true. Okay, so I wish you all the very best, Pisces. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel and share it on your social media. I'll see you soon. Namaste.